2007 G5? 2007 G5 by Pontiac, 2.2 liter 4-cylinder. What we got done on it for you guys. There's a catalytic converter. Then we put a vibrant instead of a mid-resonator, vibrant bottle muffler. I think it's part number 1792. We'll have a link in the description for it for you guys. Then it's 1 3/4 pipe all the way back. Then we did a rear muffler delete also, right there. Into a 3-inch black tip, resonated. Let's give it that deeper tone. There's the muffler and resonator we cut off right there. And we replaced it with these beautiful parts. And like always guys, please subscribe, like, and comment. And keeps us making more videos for you guys. There it is. There's the vibrant and the tip. And there'll be a link in the description for everything. Hope you guys like it. All right, guys, we got you guys today a 2007 Chevy Cobalt 4-cylinder. What we got done on. Got that nice blue color. 2.5. There's the stock converter. 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. We custom bent it all the way into a rumble. He brought in his own muffler, a rumble exhaust, part number R22541. There'll be a link in the description. It's basically and it's made in Mexico. Basically Flowmaster knockoff right there. And then a custom tailpipe right there. Came out really clean, as you guys can see right there, all the way back. If you like it, subscribe. If you don't like it, subscribe. And if you really, really like it, make sure you press that like and share button. There it is, Chevy Cobalt. Perfect. Oh yeah. That vibrant, man, they give it a sound. Oh, that's perfect. Give it a right at 104 on the sound decibels. Go ahead and back it up. Sky muffler, can you hold, please? That sounds really good. Yes, sir. Just 1 second. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Tell us what you think. So you seen one on our videos. He said it was 101 Cobalt. He wants it to be higher than that. So hopefully we have accomplished it. Go ahead. Sounds good. Sounds good. There's sound decibels. Awesome. So it passed it. It passed the ultimate test. Got that sexy blue on black. I like it. What do you guys think? Let us know. Line 2. I still got one on line 1. That sounds so good with the vibrant. Chevy Cobalt. Ooh. She sounds good. She looks good. Oh, oh, oh! That actually don't sound too bad for what it is. That's awesome. Enjoy, guys.